58-year-old Linda Kennison on a stretcher being rolled out from Norwich Court this afternoon into an ambulance after suffering a medical emergency after her court appearance. Here she was moments before, coughing and wheezing throughout her entire arraignment. The Griswold grandmother is being charged with risk of injury to a minor. Police say that minor was her 6-week-old grandson, who was allegedly suffocated at the hands of his mother, Crystal Shishevsky. Crystal is Kennison's daughter. Court documents reveal that around 7 a.m. on November 17th, Crystal told police because the baby was crying, she, quote, placed her hand over a blanket and the victim's face for 20 minutes until he was dead. Then, horrifically, it appears she and Kennison went on with their day. Shishevsky reportedly told Kennison the victim was not breathing and that she, Shishevsky, lost it. Kennison claimed to know at that point that the victim was not alive. Court documents show Kennison described the baby's condition as, quote, lifeless and limp. Yet instead of calling police, Kennison kept the baby in a swing for the rest of the day. Documents show at 4 p.m. Kennison attempted to feed the baby. Detectives write, quote, she admitted this was another time she suspected the victim was not alive and she should have called 911. When police asked why she didn't, quote, I thought that if there was something wrong that everyone would blame me because I dozed off shortly after Crystal left the apartment. It wouldn't be until 9 that night, more than 14 hours later, that someone would call 911. Shishevsky is being held on a $500,000 bond. Today, Kennison was held on a $250,000 bond. No relatives in court and no relatives at Kennison's Griswold home, but other young mothers are horrified at what they learned today in court.
All that coughing and everything she was doing in there, what was that poor baby feeling?
Now, both Kennison and her daughter are not expected to post bond, and it's not clear who has custody of Shishevsky's other child. Now, if you are a parent in distress, under the Safe Haven for Newborns Act, you can drop your newborn 30 days or younger off at a hospital emergency room without being subject to arrest. Here in Norwich, Matthew Campbell, Channel 13 News.
A new COVID variant is sounding